In this Bambu Studio tutorial, you learn how to paint letters individually. Here you see a text was added to a model. When you click on Objects, you see that the model and the text are placed inside an assembly as separate objects. To paint the text, use the Color Painting tool. You can add filament colors here by clicking the plus button. It's not possible to change the color in this menu. You have to click the filament number here. Select black and click on OK. You can also add filament colors here by clicking this plus button. Click on the number. Select this yellow color and click on OK. With the numbers on your keyboard, you can quickly access each filament color. Press 3 to access the yellow color and the other numbers for the other colors. Press 2 to select the black color and make sure the Fill tool is selected. Click on the letters you want to paint black. Now press 3 to access the yellow color and paint all the other letters yellow. Click on the Color Painting button to exit the menu. Go to the Preview tab to see how the text will be printed. It's exactly as expected. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there.